Imagine booking a hotel stay that costs more than a luxury mansion. Sounds unreal, right? These floating hotels redefine extravagance, offering million-dollar suites, private helipads, and mind-blowing amenities on the open sea. From underwater bedrooms to infinity pools that merge with the horizon, they're designed for the ultra-wealthy who crave adventure without sacrificing comfort. Some are even custom-built for billionaires, featuring personal submarines and AI-powered services. But what makes these floating marvels so insanely expensive? Let's dive into the world of the most exclusive hotels that money can buy. 1. A price tag that stuns. Imagine spending over $10 million for a night's stay. Some floating hotels cost more than luxury mansions. These ultra-exclusive accommodations are designed for the wealthiest travelers seeking privacy and extravagance. Unlike traditional five-star hotels, these floating retreats offer a blend of high-end service, exclusivity, and breathtaking views of the open sea. The cost isn't just for the stay. It covers a unique, ever-changing environment that a land-based property could never provide. For the elite, this isn't just a vacation. It's an unforgettable experience where money is no object. 2. A super yacht-like experience. Floating hotels are often modeled after luxury super yachts, offering premium suites, private decks, and five-star service. Unlike traditional hotels, they drift in exotic waters, providing a constantly changing view. Each suite is designed with the finest materials, from Italian marble bathrooms to handcrafted furniture, making them feel like private palaces on water. Guests can enjoy a variety of high-end facilities, including rooftop infinity pools, onboard cinemas, and even glass-bottom lounges that provide stunning underwater views. 3. Custom-built for the elite. Some of these floating hotels are not just rented out but custom-built for billionaires. With state-of-the-art technology, stunning interiors, and high-end materials, they redefine opulence on water. Owners can personalize everything, from the color of their walls to the kind of exotic wood used for flooring, ensuring that every detail matches their tastes. These floating masterpieces often feature technology such as AI-powered automation, smart glass that adjusts to sunlight, and silent electric engines for smooth sailing. Unlike static luxury mansions, these floating havens allow the ultra-wealthy to explore the world in ultimate comfort. 4. Unmatched privacy and security. Unlike land-based hotels, these floating marvels offer complete seclusion. Many come with private security, restricted access, and even onboard helipads to ensure VIP guests arrive in total discretion. Some floating hotels even featured military-grade defense systems, including drone surveillance, sonar detection for underwater threats, and bulletproof glass. The location can be changed at any time, meaning high-profile guests can escape paparazzi or security risks by simply moving to a new destination. This level of privacy makes them the perfect retreat for world leaders, celebrities, and tech billionaires who want to disappear from the public eye. 5. Eco-friendly luxury. Some of the world's most expensive floating hotels use sustainable technologies, including solar panels, desalination systems, and electric propulsion, making them a high-end yet environmentally responsible choice. These hotels incorporate self-sustaining energy systems, utilizing wind and hydro turbines to minimize their ecological footprint. Waste is processed on board, reducing pollution, and some even feature underwater coral restoration projects to help marine life thrive. Unlike traditional resorts that disrupt ecosystems, floating hotels can operate with minimal impact, proving that luxury and sustainability can go hand in hand. Guests can enjoy indulgence without the guilt of harming the environment. 6. A moving destination. Why stay in one place when your hotel can move? Some of these hotels travel across the most breathtaking locations, from the Maldives to Antarctica, offering guests an ever-changing landscape without packing a suitcase. The journey itself becomes part of the experience, allowing guests to wake up to a sunrise in Bora Bora and fall asleep under the northern lights in Norway. Advanced navigation technology ensures a smooth ride, even in rough waters, making the transition between locations almost imperceptible. 7. Personalized services like no other. With private chefs, underwater dining experiences, and even personal submarines, these floating hotels cater to every whim. Guests can request anything from a midnight caviar tasting to a fireworks display over the ocean. Some floating hotels even offer world-class spa treatments with massages performed by renowned therapists flown in from across the globe. Exclusive entertainment options include live performances by A-list artists, on-demand luxury shopping, and private expeditions to untouched islands. Every moment is curated to ensure that guests experience the pinnacle of luxury, with staff-to-guest ratios often exceeding 3:1. 8. Mind-blowing design and architecture. These floating hotels are feats of modern engineering, often featuring glass-bottom floors, infinity pools that blend with the sea, and futuristic designs that make them look straight out of a sci-fi movie. Some were designed by world-famous architects who pushed the boundaries of what's possible on water, incorporating cutting-edge hydrodynamics for stability and efficiency. Multi-level decks with retractable walls provide an open-air experience that seamlessly merges with the ocean surroundings. Some even feature underwater suites, allowing guests to sleep surrounded by marine life as if they were in a private aquarium. Every inch of the design exudes innovation, elegance, and exclusivity. 9. A haven for the ultra-rich. Staying in a floating hotel isn't just about luxury, it's a status symbol. Some of the world's top celebrities, CEOs, and royals book these extravagant retreats for exclusive events or private getaways. The guest lists for these hotels often remain a well-guarded secret, with only the highest-profile names gaining access. Special VIP concierge teams ensure that every detail of the stay is tailored to the individual's tastes, from rare wines flown in from France to bespoke wellness programs. Some floating hotels even host invite-only parties with the elite network, sealing billion-dollar deals while enjoying the finest champagne on the planet. 10. Beyond a hotel, a lifestyle. For some billionaires, these floating hotels aren't just a vacation spot. They serve as private residences. With ultra-high-end amenities, they provide a lavish, unrestricted lifestyle on the open sea, making even the most luxurious mansions seem ordinary. These floating palaces come with personal butlers, Michelin-starred dining, and entertainment areas that rival the best clubs in Monaco. Some owners opt to add their own onboard art galleries, mini golf courses, or even small theaters for private screenings. Owning or regularly staying in a floating hotel is the ultimate way to enjoy unparalleled luxury while embracing the freedom of an ever-changing horizon. These floating hotels aren't just places to stay. They're a glimpse into the future of luxury travel. With mind-blowing designs, top-tier privacy, and price tags that rival mansions, they redefine what it means to vacation in style. Would you ever spend millions for a night on the water? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more jaw-dropping travel content. Stay tuned for more incredible destinations that push the limits of luxury. See you in the next one.